Hey guys, hey, it's Killoren Bensimon with Inside HPT. Today we are at 11 East 68th Street at the Marquand. Built in 1913 by Herbert Lucas in Beaux-Art Revival style, the Marquand is a New York City landmark originally named for the renowned American financier Henry Gordon Marquand, who used to own a mansion on the site. Welcome to 11 East 68th Street, apartment 9E. It's a 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom, and 1.5 bath. With its historical detail and nuance, this extraordinary home, famously designed by Nate Berkus, exceeds the expectations of the most discerning taste. Upon entering this spectacular home, it's immediately apparent that the space embodies love, talent, light, and warmth. Some of the outstanding features here at 9E are the 3 oversized windows, including 2 enormous bay windows, which flood the space with ambient light and offer quintessential views of Madison Avenue. Some of the other features are the open Eden contemporary chef's kitchen with double wine refrigerators, bull-top cabinetry, appliance by Sub-Zero, Wolf, and Gagno. The master suite offers a sprawling master bedroom with multiple exposures, abundant city quiet windows with an oversized east-facing bay window, and windowed master bath with onyx stone, double vanities, soaking tub, and separate glass shower. Welcome to 11 East 68th Street, apartment 9E.